Hello lovely friends, thank you for being here for this really exciting Dutch pour and reverse flower dip student challenge. Thank you so much to my members for your continued support. I do appreciate you so greatly, and thank you to all my subscribers. I love every single one of you. So today we've got a bit of fluid art fusion. Now these two lovely ladies were my students over the last few weeks, and they were excited to try out a new technique. It was Cathy's second try and Debra's first try at fluid art, and they had so much fun. These are the palettes they chose, and it was interesting when Debra was saying, I normally go for reds, I'm going to try blue and yellow, and Cathy was saying, I'm going to go outside my comfort zone by mixing green and pink. Debra chose gold and Cathy chose silver. They were excited to open up their canvases for the first time and choose their colour palettes, and they had some lovely fresh aprons put on. And we had a little try out of a few techniques with the hairdryer, reverse flower dip carton, and we used a tiny egg carton to do a demo on a coaster to do a tiny reverse dip. These are the colours with Debra with her blue and yellow, and here is the mauve and the pink with Cathy. So they're all aproned up and ready to go.
This is my cleaning covered in bleach gardening painting.
And I was excited to see what they were going to create. They've got their little cups of tea at the ready, and off we went. So now starting off with the reverse flower dip. Cathy was really enjoying the process, and she was layering the paints, and they were asking questions as they went along. Look at that silver interacting with the blue and the mauve. Such gorgeous colours, and they were layering the paints just wonderfully and really enjoying themselves. I was loving watching Debra as she was placing the blue strategically with the green and the yellow. And they're asking questions as they're going along, and they just did amazingly. I'm so proud of these two ladies, and they were so excited to complete their first acrylic pour painting with a reverse flower dip and with the Dutch pour. And they came back on the fourth week and we varnished the paintings. So I did 2 layers of varnish, and there's 2 layers to go. And I used a trusty piece of my husband's old worktop, which is cotton and a little bit of polyester in it. It's, the magic about it is it's been worn and washed loads. I'll put a link to my varnishing video in the description below. So thank you so much to my lovely students. I'm so proud of you and can't wait to work with you again soon. Look at those gorgeous paintings. They were so happy. And there's another painting that Cathy did with me last time. So we decided with our mucky hands we'd do some lovely handprints on the wall. So thank you so much to everyone who's been here today. I really appreciate you. I hope you enjoyed this little peek celebrating Cathy and Debra. All the ratios and paint mixing is in the description below, and I hope you're enjoying what you're creating. Let me know what you're up to. I love watching. Thank you. Have a lovely day now, and don't forget, your art is a piece of you. Until next time, see you. Take care. Bye bye.